Have you ever wondered which dividend ETF is better for building a reliable income stream? SCHD or VYM? Both funds are incredibly popular among dividend investors. Both offer exposure to high-quality companies that pay dividends, and both have helped investors generate passive income while growing their portfolios over time. But here's the big question. If you had to choose just one, which ETF would give you the better income stream? In today's video, we're going to compare SCHD and VYM side by side. We'll look at dividend yield, dividend growth, portfolio composition, performance, and income potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of which ETF may be the better fit for your investing goals. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. What is SCHD? SCHD, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, focuses on companies with strong dividend histories, healthy balance sheets, and solid cash flows. The fund follows a strict screening process. It doesn't simply buy the highest-yielding stocks. Instead, it looks for quality companies that can sustain and grow their dividends over time. SCHD typically holds around 100 stocks, making it more concentrated than many broad dividend ETFs. Some of its largest holdings often include companies like Texas Instruments, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Cisco, and Home Depot. The goal is simple: provide investors with a combination of current income and long-term dividend growth. What is VYM? VYM, or the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, takes a different approach. Rather than focusing heavily on dividend growth metrics, VYM seeks to track a broad index of high dividend-paying U.S. companies. The fund owns more than 400 stocks, giving investors significantly greater diversification. You'll often find holdings such as J.P. Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Amp, Johnson, Procter & Amp, Gamble, and Broadcom among its largest positions. Because of its broader approach, VYM spreads risk across more companies and sectors. For investors who value diversification and simplicity, that's a major advantage. Dividend yield comparison. Let's talk about what most income investors care about first. Dividend yield. Historically, both SCHD and VYM have offered attractive yields compared to the broader market. However, SCHD has often delivered a slightly higher yield than VYM. While the exact yield changes over time depending on market conditions, SCHD has generally been known for providing a strong balance between yield and dividend growth. VYM also provides a solid yield, but its broader portfolio can sometimes result in slightly lower payouts. If your primary objective is maximizing current income, SCHD may have a slight edge. But yield alone doesn't tell the whole story. The power of dividend growth. This is where SCHD has built a loyal following among investors. Over the years, SCHD has demonstrated impressive dividend growth. Why does this matter? Because a growing dividend stream can help investors combat inflation and increase income without investing additional money. Imagine receiving a dividend payment today and then seeing that payment grow year after year. That's one of the most powerful aspects of dividend investing. VYM also grows its dividends, but historically, SCHD's dividend growth rate has often been stronger. For long-term income investors, that difference can become substantial over a decade or two. A higher growth rate today may lead to significantly larger income payments in the future. Diversification and risk. Now, let's discuss risk. VYM clearly wins when it comes to diversification. With more than 400 holdings, VYM spreads its investments across a larger number of companies and industries. That broad exposure may help reduce the impact of any single company's problems. SCHD, on the other hand, owns around 100 stocks. While that's still diversified, it's considerably more concentrated. The benefit is that SCHD can focus on higher quality dividend growers. The trade-off is that performance may be more dependent on its top holdings. If you prefer maximum diversification, VYM may be more appealing. If you're comfortable with a more selective portfolio, SCHD may be worth considering. Historical performance income is important, but total return matters too. After all, your portfolio's value can help determine how much income you'll generate in the future. Historically, SCHD has often outperformed VYM in total returns. One reason is its focus on dividend growth and quality factors. Companies that consistently increase dividends tend to be financially strong and shareholder-friendly. VYM has also delivered solid long-term returns, but SCHD has frequently had the advantage during many periods. Of course, past performance does not guarantee future results. But many investors appreciate SCHD's track record of combining income with capital appreciation. Which ETF builds a better income stream? So, which dividend ETF builds the better income stream? The answer depends on your priorities. If you're looking for stronger dividend growth, a potentially higher yield, and a history of strong total returns, SCHD may be the better choice. If you're looking for broader diversification, lower concentration risk, and exposure to hundreds of dividend-paying companies, VYM may be the better fit. For many investors focused on growing passive income over time, SCHD often stands out because of its emphasis on quality and dividend growth. However, VYM remains an excellent option for investors who prefer a more diversified approach. And here's something many investors overlook. You don't necessarily have to choose only one. Some investors combine SCHD and VYM to benefit from both strategies. This allows them to enjoy SCHD's dividend growth potential while gaining VYM's broader diversification. At the end of the day, both SCHD and VYM are excellent dividend ETFs. Neither choice is likely to be a bad one for long-term investors seeking income. SCHD tends to appeal to investors who want a growing income stream and strong total return potential. VYM appeals to investors who value diversification and steady dividend income from a wide range of companies. The best ETF is ultimately the one that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and investing strategy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you investing in SCHD, VYM, or both? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future investing content. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or tax advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.